Hello friends, today I would like to talk about a very precious resource that we often take for granted, yet plays a crucial role in our daily lives: ash. Ash is a hidden treasure when it comes to soil fertility and plant protection. Before we share crucial information about this awesome resource, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. First and foremost, ash leaves contain essential nutrients that are vital for healthy plant growth. The minerals present in ash, such as potassium, nitrogen, and calcium, work in harmony with the other elements present in soil to nourish plants. Additionally, the high levels of silica in ash help to strengthen the soil structure, leading to better aeration and drainage, which is essential for healthy plant growth. But the uses of ash go much beyond soil fertility. Ashes also serve as an excellent natural pesticide. The soot that forms during the combustion of ash contains elements that act as repellents for insects and other pests. When applied to the soil, ash not only kills insects, but also forms a protective barrier around the plants, preventing further infestation. This method of pest control is eco-friendly and safe for the environment as it uses natural ingredients. Moreover, ashes have anti-inflammatory properties that help to soothe plants suffering from diseases or injuries. The natural compounds in ash can help to heal the plants and promote faster recovery. In conclusion, ash, a humble ingredient in our lives, holds immense potential when it comes to soil fertility and plant protection. So, let's not only appreciate its culinary uses, but also acknowledge its environmental and agricultural benefits. Remember, ashes are not just for cooking, they are a testament to the age-old wisdom of our ancestors in harnessing the power of nature for our benefit.